Mississippi provides judgment creditors with a relatively creditor-accessible enforcement environment. No dollar-limited homestead exemption, no tenancy by the entirety protection, and standard federal wage garnishment. Here is the complete guide. Judgment interest rate. Mississippi judgments accrue interest at the legal interest rate of 8% per year. Judgment duration. Mississippi judgments are valid for 7 years and can be renewed by filing a scire facias proceeding before expiration. Recording the judgment lien. In Mississippi, a judgment becomes a lien on real property in a county when it is enrolled in the circuit court of that county by recording in the judgment roll. Wage garnishment. Mississippi follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula. 25% of disposable earnings or the excess above 30 times the federal minimum wage, whichever is less. Mississippi has no state income tax. Disposable earnings are higher per dollar of gross wages. No significant homestead exemption. Mississippi does not have a robust dollar amount homestead exemption. Real estate equity is therefore substantially accessible to judgment creditors above minimal exemption amounts. No tenancy by the entirety. Mississippi does not recognize tenancy by the entirety. Jointly titled real property does not receive special creditor protection based on the marital relationship. The debtor's interest in jointly held property is accessible for execution. Bank levy. Mississippi allows execution against bank accounts and personal property through a writ of execution directed to the levying officer. Debtor examination. Mississippi allows post-judgment examination of the debtor through supplementary proceedings. Mississippi's creditor-accessible features: no significant homestead, no tenancy by the entirety, no state income tax boosting disposable earnings, make it one of the more productive enforcement states for judgment creditors. People Locator Skip Tracing provides Mississippi debtor investigation within 24 hours. Visit peoplelocatorsskiptracing.com to place your order.